Hello, welcome to my channel. For today, we'll do a design on these nails. Nails are already prepped and I will do the refill, a quick refill for the growth. And we'll do a simple design, something similar with what I have on the right hand. On the right hand, I choose a color gray, blue, something like this, and we'll use some rhinestones and a type of French. We'll see how I did all these colors. If you want to check my previous videos, how I mixed the colors, it would be interesting if you want. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and check also my TikTok account and my Instagram account, beautifulforlove.nails. So first step that I'm doing is using the primer bond, and after that I'll place a layer of rubber base gel. The first layer is thin and I'm not curing. I will add the second layer that is a little bit thicker and creating a strength for the nail. After second layer, I will cure it under LED lamp for 30 seconds. I will do this for a second nail and after that I will do it off camera. So first layer it is a thin layer and second is a thicker. I'm taking a bubble and I'm creating the strength of the nail. And I will cure it after that under LED lamp. It's very shiny, this rubber base. It's very nice, and whenever you will try, if you never tried rubber base before, is a little bit much stickier than a base gel. I will file and shape wherever I find that there is too much rubber base on the sides. So I will just adjust on the nails where I find this issue. I have only on the pointer. So now my nails are ready to apply gel color. Between rubber base and gel color, if you do not need to file, you don't need to remove the sticky layer. You can apply gel color after that immediately. I'm placing 2 coats of gel polish just to be a little bit more pigmented the color. And each coat I'm curing under LED lamp for 30 seconds. This is the color that I'm using on my left hand. As you can see that it is a little bit different than my right. My right is on blue shades and my left hand is on green shades. If you want to see any product below in the description, I have affiliate programs from Born Pretty, Rosalind, Jelcie and Modelones, and you can check them. If you want to see the solid cream gel from Modelones, you can check in my previous videos. I will put it at the end of the video, or maybe during this video I will put a link up. And the solid cream gel from Modelones is very good. You can try it, and there are some offers at this time, so check their website through my affiliate link. Now, after I cured both coats of color, I will place the French nail. I want to do just a French line only on the sides and on the tip of the nail with this mixed color. You can check my previous video. I'll use a very long and thin brush and just I'm dipping a little bit of gel color on the brush and placing it wherever I want. and how thick I want to be the French tip or thin. When I'm done with this, when I'm happy with how it's looking, I am curing it under LED lamp for 30 seconds. I can use a second coat if I want to make it more pigmented, or if I missed some spots. I can use a second coat with curing under LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now I can place the top coat, and I will cure it for 60 seconds. Every time the top coat you cure it for 60 seconds under LED lamp, no matter how powerful is your LED lamp, because this is the final coat and is your last step, okay? Final last step. So I know it's a pleonasm, but you'll understand. That's why you are curing the top coat 60 seconds and the base gel and other gel colors, you are curing them 30 seconds, because anyway you still have to cure, you have other layers that you have to cure more. I use these rhinestones, I have different sizes on a round. And for sure, this one you can find them anywhere. I mean, any website of nails have this type of rhinestones. There are standard ones and not hard to find them. I think you can check even on AliExpress or Shein or any website for nails. I will place a 4-in-1 top coat now. A 4-in-1 top coat is for final top coat, is for rhinestones, for chrome, and for, I don't know the fourth one. Fiber nails, sorry, the fourth one. So I'm placing one coat, thicker coat of this 4-in-1 top coat, and without curing it, I'll put the beads on. Whatever and wherever I want the beads to be, I'm placing them, I'm arranging them. Before curing it, you can still play with the rhinestones and arrange them as you want. I want to let the tip of the nail empty. I want to place it only on 3 parts of the nails, 3/3 of the nails. I'll add more. This part is kind of self-explanatory. So you can check my playlist. I have videos for gel, for fiber nails, for polygel, for nail designs, different nail designs that I've done. You can check each playlist has different nail shapes and it's kind of organized my channel, so have a look. If you want to see any design or you want to try any new design, you can you can comment in the video. Now, after I cured the rhinestones for 60 seconds, I'm adding another layer of the same 4-in-1 top coat. I like to add another layer just to secure them. Like this, my nails will last for 3 weeks or 2 weeks or 4 weeks. Rarely is falling down one rhinestone. Is more secure. And after curing them for 60 seconds, this is the final result. I like it. It's simple. It's easy to do, and these rhinestones are just giving a little bit of something else. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.